Hey guys, welcome back to your channel. If you're interested in this beautiful unit that I am showing you right here, please stay tuned for the rest of the video so that I can give you all the deets on this fabulous nest that is on my head, honey, right now. Stay tuned for the rest of the video. Okay, you guys, so here is what the box looks like when you receive it from Ishow Hair. That is the back of the box. Gives you instructions on the hair. This is going to be a full, already constructed unit. They also stuck these cute little lashes in the box. It also comes inside of this pink bag that you could use for storage of your unit when you're not wearing it. And let's just go ahead and open up the box. When you receive your unit, it will come in this plastic bag. And this wig is, I believe, in the color 1B. And I think it is 14 inches in length. But it's curly hair, though. It's already cut into a bob. And you will see that here in just a minute. Let me go ahead and open up the bag for you guys and show you the construction of this fabulous unit, darling. It comes with the net on it. It did not have an odor whatsoever on the hair. I'm just going to go ahead and take the foam out. This is a full frontal unit. It goes from ear to ear. And it also comes with 2 temple combs, one in the top and one in the back as well, as you can see here. And it also comes with adjustable straps, so it pretty much will fit any size head. I always cut my combs out because I just find that I don't really use them. And it also has lace in the back as well. Here I have already applied the unit onto my head. I co-washed this unit with just conditioner. And I have it pulled over in kind of a deep side part, but it's soaking wet. So I'm just pretty much showing you what it looks like in a very wet state after being co-washed. Here is what it looks like. I will go get dolled up for you guys and show you what she looks like as she fluffs out. So stay tuned. Okay, sis, I am back, honey. I have let her dry out from the last clip. You just saw her dripping wet. I'll co-wash it with conditioner, as I said in that clip. And as I applied my makeup and all that jazz, she just kind of dried out and fluffed out. And very summer friendly. I didn't have to cut her. I didn't have to do nothing, honey, but put her on. I even, you know, I normally don't even tack it down, but I tack this down because I actually want to, I like it big like this. Like, I like this. I do like the bigness of this hair. You know, I like some big girl hair. Okay. And it is a full frontal. So you could totally put the part wherever you want to, ear to ear. Okay. So you can pull you some over like that. Make it bigger on one side than the other if you choose to. You could even trim this in a little bit. Like if you don't like the weightiness of this on the bottom, which I actually do like it because I do like big wild hair. But sis, she's frizzy because I've been just pulling in it and making it look old because I don't like a freshly new looking wig per se. So I'm going to go and re-wet her, and I'm going to add a little bit of gel to kind of hold it in place, just to show you again what it kind of looks like while I'm a little bit more made up than I was in the previous clip. So stay right there, don't move. Let me go wet her and pull her off the face so you can get a better idea of the summer look. Now this is so summery, okay? It's not all down your back, so you won't get so hot, but it still gives you that sexy, natural girl feel, if you know what I mean. And the snugness, it has the adjustable straps that I showed you in the last clip. My head is small, plus, you know, I typically wear my hair shaved, so there is nothing under it to give it, you know. So I actually have mine as tight as it can go, okay? And I do have got to be glue on the front. So I'll be right back. Let me show you what she looks like wet again. Okay, sis, so she is wet. and off the face. Get the curls. I put a little bit of gel on my hands, like lotion, just a little bit, not like a glob, a little bit, and I just rubbed her through to make these curls look wet all day. Instead of it drying out and getting puffy, it'll pretty much maintain this wet, more uniform look. So you have options even with it being this length. And I think this is considered 14-inch, but it doesn't probably look like it because it's curly and it's up to here. But I think this is 14 inches of hair, if I'm not mistaken. I'll leave all the information down below as always if you're interested in use something. This is just got out the beach. So look at me. Curls is popping, honey. Okay. Popping. Straight popping. Cute with a headband. Baby hairs, if you are a baby hair girl. I'm just not really that girl. But you could totally put you some little baby hairs and make it really look like that Puerto Rican, Hispanic girl look. You know what I'm saying? But this is so cute. What I'm telling y'all right now. So shout out to you for sending me this beautiful hair, honey, because I would prefer a wig any day than me having to actually make the wig. It's more work. This is more just open it up, co-wash it or wash it or whatever you want to do and put it on and go. Honey, that is it. This hair can be parted anywhere. I never bleach my knots because it's not that serious for me. I would put on just like a nude color stocking cap underneath, or either add concealer to the lace and keep it pushing. That's just me personally, because you know, I swaps out so much that it's not really that serious for your girl. But this is so cute, so Sharon, so me. You will probably be seeing her in a lot of videos to come because it's cooler in these hot months, honey. And I've been tanning, so it already looked like, you know what I'm saying? I'm just saying, you know what I'm saying. So if you're interested in this hair, sis, please, please, please check down below in the description bar for all the information on the company, any type of promotions they might be running, sales, and percentages off, anything they got going on. Your girl gonna have it down below for you as always. All their links, handles, everything you need. Sis, I got you covered. It's down below. Is this wig Sharon approved? 100%, because first of all, I didn't have to do no work, and I like it because I didn't have to cut it. It's all ready, just put on, ready to go. Style and profile. Do y'all need to see it, what it look like with some shades on? Okay, hold up for a second. I'll be right back. Okay, you out. It's summertime. It's popping. You on your way someplace, on your date or whatever, just chilling with your girls. You got your shades on and what? Okay, what? Yeah, she real cute. Okay, let me give you another option. Hold up. I got you covered. Sis, I got you covered, honey. You know, she keeps you covered. Okay. Take it back. Real old school. What? Cat's eye? Like, huh? Where you going? Where you about to go, sis? Where you going? With your curls popping. I'm just saying. Wet look, dry look, it don't matter to me. I likes it either way. That's all I have to say, you guys, about this hair, honey. It speaks for itself. Again, sis, if you're interested, check the link down below. Be sure go and check out their site, see what other kind of units they have. Honey, y'all can send me a unit every month if you want to. It is cool with me. I work with this company basically every month. So you will see a recap later on, about a week or two or so, about this same hair. But you'll be seeing it in videos to come. Okay, so you'll pretty much know how I feel about the hair. Because ain't no need of changing and putting on something longer when I can just put this on and like go. So you're going to see it big, wild, wet, crazy, just whatever in the videos to come. But I will give you a final summary of what I think about the hair in a specific video in about a week or two. So be on the lookout for that. In the meantime, in between time, your girl got to go. So I got to go make a vlog for you, so you will see it in that video as well. So if you're interested, don't forget, check down below. Shout out to the company for sending me this unit, honey, and making your girl fab as always. Okay. Everyone have a blessed day. She's got to go. Bye.